Okay, this is another episode of somebody's grandpa solving another problem with a Mazda dome light. Following up on a video where a kind gentleman showed me how to get this whole assembly out of the roof. I took it out quite successfully following his instructions and found that this is not a good way to access the dome light, not from the rear. But while I had it out, I got a multimeter here to check continuity of the light bulb. But this video is about how to access the light bulbs, and I'm going to tell you it's not through the back, because you don't need to take this out at all. Instead, you need a very small screwdriver, like this one. You can see the size of my fingers to that light bulb. It must be 3 millimeters wide. You very gently take your screwdriver and you look very carefully. I'll show you. There is a very almost imperceivable, hard to notice groove right here in the middle of this bulb, in the middle of this window lens, this light lens. And that is at the side that would be closest to the windshield. So right in the center you'll find that, and you very gently place your screwdriver in there. I'm going to have to hold this and do it at the same time. Hope I don't break it like this. I'll show you on this side what it's supposed to do. It's got two tabs. You want to push down on the clear plastic lens while also pushing it to the opposite side, prying almost. And then there's a second step. Pay attention because you have to see that as well. But again, I'm having an issue here because that thing wants to flop. Not using my wrist like there, I think we got it. Yeah, we did. So, very gently pried, didn't break it. Now, it's going to give you a little bit of resistance right here. And that's because on this side, you have two tabs, open-ended tabs, and they are to go over to these male studs right here. You just set it on top there, push that down first, and then you snap in the end that you pried open. So that's how to get it out. Get to the light, access to the light bulbs without breaking it. Here's the kind of light bulb you're going to need. Let me see if I can tell you what that is. No, I can't. A WHA 12 volt. I'm going to take it out.